Do you know that the toughest part of learning programming is deciding where to begin? Hi, my name is Sandra, and on today's video we'll be talking about the best programming languages to learn in 2023. There are hundreds of programming languages in use, and discovering which language would be the most suitable for your career goal should be your top priority. In this video, I'll be talking about the best and most in-demand programming languages for 2023. It is impossible to be a software developer without using JavaScript in one way or another. According to Stack Overview 2020 Developer Survey, JavaScript is the most popular language among developers for the 10th year in a row. Amazing, right? Along with HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap, JavaScript is used for front-end web development. Although it's a front-end language, it can also be used on the server side through Node.js for back-end web development. JavaScript is one of the friendliest programming languages for beginners. Second on my list, we have Python programming language. Python, it's one of the most commonly used programming languages today because of its readability and user-friendliness. Along with Python, SQL programming language is important to the efficient use of data in web applications. SQL enables the extraction, manipulations, and storage of data within an existing database. Programmers interested in working with apps, especially social media apps or payment platforms, should consider learning SQL programming language. And lastly on my list for today is the C#. C# is a general-purpose language built on the foundation of C. So, it is easy to understand if you're familiar with other programming languages in the C family, like C++ and a host of others. C# is a language developed by Microsoft, and it is best suited for applications on Windows, Android, and iOS. If you have interest in developing 3D and 2D video games, then learning C# should be the top of your priority in 2023. At Bismarck Technologies, we offer practical hands-on training on programming languages like JavaScript, Python, SQL, and C#. Here at Bismarck Technologies, we offer practical hands-on training where a trainer is assigned to you to give you 100% attention and guide, and you also get to build a real-life project before you graduate. Here, we don't do crowded classroom training. Our environment is conducive for learning. Our trainers are industry professionals. Why don't you visit any of our offices today to register, or call the numbers displayed on your screen to speak to our customer care executives. Until I come your way again next time, I remain Sandra. Bye.